Hi, I'm Katie and this is Helen, and we're both from Almased, and today we'll just be talking to you about what Almased is, how to use it and general benefits of the product. So now we're going to tell you how to make my favourite recipe, so it's the Chocolate-Almond Almased. And so first of all what you do is, for this recipe you add 200 ml of unsweetened almond milk. So you've got the 5 heaped tablespoons of the Almased powder. And then again, you would add the essential fats. So you would add 2 teaspoons of, here we've actually got the extra virgin olive oil, but you can also add things such as rapeseed, flaxseed or walnut oil. The walnut and the flaxseed is actually quite nice, gives it a bit more of a nutty taste, whereas the olive and the rapeseed is a bit more neutral. So also you add for this one a tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. Yeah, that's my favourite shake. Good.